Hi. So let's say you have a bunch of images, 15, 20 images, you want to lay out on Adobe InDesign. How do you do it? Do you place them one by one? Well, there's a much faster way. Let me show you how. Okay, so I have some images here I want to place on this spread. Let's choose all these images. They are a mix of portrait and landscape. So as you can see, it's giving you a preview of the image. If you use the right and left arrow keys, you can scroll between them. Let's place the first image. Left click and drag. And the second image. But if I want to place all of these, it's going to take a lot of time. A better way is just click, drag, and then you press the up arrow key. As you can see, it has broken this selection into two parts. These lines in the middle is a row. If I press up again, it'll give me 3 rows, and so on and so forth. If I press the right and left, it'll break it into columns. Let's release that. And there you go. Now whatever is remaining, you can also do the same thing with it. And there you go. Easy and simple. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, see you later.